Hello, so today I'm going to share with you some acupressure points to help balance and nourish your energy, particularly in the colder months, the autumn and the winter. So we'll start with one point on the little finger, which is kind of under the nail on the inside, and massage here. Massage for a couple of minutes, and you can rest your hand on your leg, or if you're sitting on a chair, you can rest your hand on the side of the chair, however you want. You can circle in either direction, doesn't really matter. The point is to feel like you're adding energy, nourishing the meridian, which goes up like this. This is the Heart Meridian, and on the other side as well. So it starts on the outside, it goes onto the inside, up to here. 1 to 2 minutes on each side while breathing deeply. And it can also be useful if you don't get much sleep to nourish the heart, which might be doing more work, or it feels like more work. So when you feel fatigued or drained of energy, this can help. Give you also a mental boost, clarity, clear mind, a space to simply connect with yourself and the emotion of love, joy, connection, fire element. Now we'll move to another point on the base of the foot. This point is called the bubbling well. It's like this hollow part here. So you can massage both at the same time, like this, or you can just do one at a time. I also sometimes go in the kneeling position and just use my thumbs on that point. And again, 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. You don't need to count the exact seconds, as long as it feels good without tiring your thumbs out. And it's okay to take a rest for a few seconds and then apply pressure again. Now you can either press on and off, or press and hold, or press and circle. It's up to you. Maybe a mix. So this is on the Kidney Meridian, which goes on the inside behind the ankle, on the inside of the leg to the kidneys, which are on the back. And the kidneys are said to support our internal energy, or reserve energy, the kind that isn't from food but from life. So that is the main 2 points. There are other points, but I wanted to keep it simple for now. I'll see you in the next video.